mag-negotiate mo sa inyong grupo para ang inyong work mag-work. So, ang proactive steps is listen, discuss, find solutions.
Okay, next slide.
Number 7 steps in conflict resolution. So, identify the problem, understand perspectives, find a joint solution. Next na?
Thank you.
Case studies and solution. Example, workplace conflict. Solution is mediation and compromise.
Yay!
Example 2 is family dispute. Solution, open communication and empathy. Right, ito mo. The common mistakes is conflict resolution. So, imong gina-ignore ang iyahang emotions, one-sided solutions, and aggressive approaches.
Correct.
8, 9, yes. So, conclusion naman. So, conclusion is effective conflict resolution improves